Plotting time series, particularly financial data such as stocks and commodities, or economic data, often requires different approaches, which we will cover in this video. We first bring in a time series to illustrate these approaches. It contains daily prices from a gold stock, daily volume, and a sixth column that is logical, meaning that it consists of zeros and ones. This column has a 1 when the stock closes higher than its open, and was created in Excelerate by simply subtracting column 4 from column 1 and asking that the result be greater than 0. We click on the right-hand side to bring up the appropriate ribbon, and then select the Analyze section to reveal the plotting icons. Now, let's select columns 1 through 4 and click this icon that plots the entire selection as a bar chart. This is a standard plot type used throughout the financial world. However, there is a need to customize the charts in several ways, and we now illustrate this. Let's select All Data by using Control A. Then we click on the Custom Charts for Time Series icon and choose Constructing New Plot Type. This opens our custom template, which provides a wide variety of charting abilities. It opens up with a single pane that would plot column 1 in blue as a single line. This template allows multiple panes and multiple ways of plotting columns in each pane. Let's modify this template to create a bar chart in blue using columns 1 through 4. Click on the Plot Data Using This Plot Type button, and you will see the bar chart. Using the buttons at the top, you can modify the vertical height, the horizontal distance between bars, and the existence or non-existence of a grid, and you can bring back the template to change the plot. These plots are easily resized and have the additional advantage that they can scroll from left to right, showing different parts of the plot. Let's bring back the template and choose to make the 2 panes in the upper one twice the size of the lower. We then reproduce the chart button numbers in blue in the upper pane and choose to plot the volume as a histogram in the lower pane. Any template that you create can be saved, and you can begin this entire process by selecting a Save Template instead of constructing from the beginning. We now show the resulting plot. Finally, we bring back the template, and at the bottom of pane 1, we enter column 6 and choose the color orange. This means that the bar chart in that pane will have its bars painted orange whenever column 6 shows 1. We will then clearly see what dates closed up in price and what days did not. With this method, any logical column of a dataset can be used to emphasize its condition on any other plot in that pane. Here's the resulting plot. Since financial data often comes in CSV or Excel form that includes some texts, let's quickly review a convenient way to process it in Excelerate. We will run the following 3 commands. The first imports the relevant CSV file, which comes in as an alpha table. The second toggles the labels, leaving only data. And the third converts it to a time series. Again, we click on the right to activate the correct ribbon. Whenever data exceeds a certain size, Excelerate conveniently shows just a sample. When this happens, as in this case, a green arrow appears which permits us to display the entire dataset. Plotting, decorating, or making other changes to data on the right-hand side requires the entire dataset to be present, and we click the green arrow to make that happen. Now select All Data. Then open a template and fill it out as shown, with 1 pane and 2 columns plotted in it in different ways. Now we see the final graph. By experimentation, you can quickly become familiar with all the capabilities of this graphing method.